MYNA stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Mynaric AG stock, or American Depository Shares of Mynaric, however the pronunciation is. 40% down is just maniac-wise levels, right? It's a lot. Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors over the last 4 years, called out thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free. And with MYNA, the price just keeps melting, man. That's all I can say. With this in mind, saw this break here. And one thing that I still want to preface off is that this is still a bearish market. Like, from where we're currently sitting, there's no way that I'm trading this. Just the timing is awful, and we're just like literally sitting at all-time lows. The likelihood of this continuing to come down is quite high, so that's exactly what I'm looking for you, right? So it's not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.